Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wahdania Misliyanti from ICP Biology Education class. Today, I will present my article with the title Analysis of Development of Quartet Card Media Based on Conventional Media, Protista Materials.
Introduction. Based on Mulyasa, the curriculum is to produce Indonesian people who are productive, creative, innovative, and affective. Third, strengthening attitudes, skill, and integrate knowledge. As for releasing this, in the curriculum implementation, teachers are required to professionally design effective and meaningful learning, organize learning, choose the right learning approach, determine effective learning procedure and competency formation, and determine success criteria. A quartet is a group collection consisting of 4 KBBI. A quartet card is a type of game consisting of several number of picture cards from which a description is written is in the form of writing explaining the picture. Usually, the writing of the image title in the writing at the top of the card, and the writing is enlarged or thickened, and the picture in the writing into are 4 line vertical in the middle between the title and the picture. The method. I'm using a model R&D. This research was conducted using the research and development R&D method. Assessment instrument. The technique and data collection used in the study include questionnaires, interview sheet, and tests. Meanwhile, the data analysis technique used content validity, which in the study use content validation. Next, validity. Validity is calculated based on the formula for the total score of all validator divided by the maximum score multiplied 100% valid when the validation result get a score of 81%. This is table of score interpretation criteria. The next, the picture of quartet card design. This proof that the Protista quartet game media is interesting to be used learning medium in the material of life organization system. Next, result and discussion. Quartet eligibility based on validity and practically. First, result of student response. Next, practically of the quartet game media. And the last, the suitability of basic competency with the media. The last of conclusion, media is one the communication component, namely as a messenger from the communicator to the communicant. In the learning process, the media has a function as a carrier of information from the source, a teacher, to the receiver of student. Learning media are learning research other than teacher that are used channel for teaching message that are held and or created in the planned manner by teacher or educator. The result of student response. In the result of student response, there are 10 aspects in the assessment, including the Protista Quartet playing media can generate motivation to be actively involved. Practically of the Protista Quartet game media, based on observation during the experiment, all students have read the material summary before playing. Play in order, not scramble, so that the carry out activities according to instruction. This activities show that if students have played the game procedurally, it is just that there are a few students who have not read the instruction for using the card just before playing. Thank you.